My people, welcome to the Primeverse tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what Primeverse is, why it's such a game-changing platform. It's a tool that enables anyone and everyone to prosper as long as they got Wi-Fi, prosper with online income and especially trading. So stick with me to the end of this video because I'm gonna show you some game-changing AI tools for trading, but also all the other mind-blowing resources that this platform offers. Now, Primeverse is in partnership with PewPrime. Y'all that don't know what PewPrime is, it's a top regulated Forex broker. Now, PewPrime's broker platform is reasons enough to be a client with them. So I'm gonna start this tutorial with a 1-minute quick display of some of the resources that PewPrime offers, and then we jump back to Primeverse and I'll walk you through this platform and the resources here. So when you get into PewPrime, the first thing you do, you create an account, of course. And here you can see how much assets you have on your account. You can create different trading accounts, demo accounts for trading, different leverage, and so on. Now that's the normal Forex broker stuff. Let's get to the special stuff. And the number one thing that I want to show you guys is, of course, copy trading. This here, I just love it. And why I love it is because, first and foremost, you got a lot of copy traders to choose in between. Second of all, some of these guys are actually smashing the results. You see the results here. Now, of course, this can be a one-time fluke, and therefore, before you start copying anyone, you look at the stats. For example, VIP CPUB team. They have made, I cannot even read the numbers, 12,000 something percent. They have a win rate of 81%. You can see that 2,048 people are following them. These guys, 469 people following them, but some of these guys, not many follow them. And when a lot of people follow somebody, it means that that guy is popular for a reason. Now, let's click on these guys and see how they have performed. So here's their return. And you can see monthly. Monthly, they've performed really well. So September, they made like 4,000%, October, 1,800, and this month so far, 58%, which is really good, but compared to 4,000%, yeah. And you can check this on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, on a daily basis. You can see what they trade. For example, these guys trade gold, Ethereum, and BTC for the most. And you can see how the copiers perform and so on. Also here you see that, for example, these guys take 30% of the profit sharing. So it means that from the profits, not from the trades, from the profits made, 30% goes to them. Some take less and some take more. These guys are, of course, very popular, so they can take more. So copy trading is the major thing I wanted to show here because I just love this thing. It's automated. It's like having a trading bot trading for you. You don't have to think about anything. And if you think that one guy is not performing well or having too big drawdowns, whatever it is, you just try another one. Now, next thing is, of course, the tool section. And here in the tool section, you got something called Auto Chartist. This is very interesting. So you got something like a market scanner that allows you to scan your market watch list for trading opportunities. You got market report that will give you full reports on the market. You got AutoCrist Research Portal, a fully comprehensive research portal that allows you to find all the available data in one place. Trading opportunities, check updates on trading opportunities every 50 minutes with new setups based on all AutoCrist's analysis types. And there's more stuff. So these are the major things I wanted to show y'all. And of course, when you sign up with PewPrime, you also have a promotion where you get a 100% deposit bonus. Now, don't get this confused. Very important to understand. It's a credit bonus. So that means that when you deposit, let's say $100, you get an extra $100 in credit. It means if you manage to blow the $100 you deposit, you got $100 in credit. But if you blow that $100 in credit as well, when you want to open a new account or when you want to trade on the same account, you have to first balance out the credit first. So yes, extra funds to trade with, but use it carefully. It's a loan. Now with that said, we're done with PewPrime. Now you understand what PewPrime is and what they offer. Let's get back to Primeverse. This is the real thing. When you click the link that you will receive from whoever referred you to PewPrime, and after filling in the forms and completing the sign-up process, you will land on this page here, welcome page. You watch the video, tells a little bit about Primeverse, and then the rest is information on what's going on and latest news. So what you see here is what you get. First section, welcome, we already watched it, how to start. And here you have a full setup guide for your Prime account, of course, how to get started with that thing and how to get momentum here in Primeverse. Then after that, we have newsfeed. What I'm showing you now, I'm just scraping the top. We're going to get to the nitty gritty very soon. Now, this is basically like a Facebook for Primeverse. This is some of the latest posts that's been posted and people's comments and so on. Same thing here on the feed. And then you got something called events. And in events, you see like the latest live calls, live training sessions, and so on. And that's the same thing you see here. You see what live trading sessions are coming up next, in what language they are. So it's not only English, actually we have Spanish, we have Norwegian, and we have some other languages also. And these live trading sessions, if you are new to trading, these are golden gems. This is where you gotta be. You can ask questions, you can interact and whatnot. After that, we have, of course, trade alerts. This is what people love. They want to get the signals. Here we send out the signals. It's mostly gold, but it can be anything. On Win and Progress, people share their results, of course. And then we have the Trading Lab, where it's also kind of like signals, but it's different people sharing trade ideas, trading opportunities, signals, and so on. So this is more like a community signal channel, you could say. Now with that done, let's get to the Prime Academy. In Prime Academy, you have everything you need to become not only trader, but an advanced trader. Understand the markets thoroughly, understand what moves the market, what makes it tick, how liquidity works, and all of that stuff. I love the advanced course. You really get into the nitty-gritty stuff with trading that is super important to understand how the market moves. Now with this stuff out of the way, let's get into the more advanced stuff. And let's start with Symphony AI. Symphony AI is actually, I think this is like one of the best trading bots that is out there today. It's not because it's making some mind-blowing numbers. It's because it's very consistent. Cumulative return over the past 5 years. So we got a 5-year track record on this thing. And that is very important. 5-year track record. Cumulative return 1,178%. All right. If you would have put in $100 here 5 years ago, it would have been $1,178 today by doing nothing, just passive income. Monthly, on average, we do 4.8%. And something that is very important to watch here is, first and foremost, maximum drawdown, 11.4%. Not many trading bots can say that. Second of all, risk of ruin, 0%. Why? Because there's a hard stop loss set at 10%. So for you that don't want anything risky, that don't want to have sleepless nights and stuff like that, this here is for you. Watch your money grow slow, passively, and relaxed. With that said, let's jump to Zonar. Now Zonar, this is my favorite tool. This is what I use basically all the time. For y'all to understand smart money concepts, this is an indicator that shows you smart money concepts directly on your chart. It shows you where the order blocks are, where liquidity pockets are, latest liquidity low, liquidity high, fair value gaps, market structure shift. It even gives you trade ideas. It is so good, so you can actually start trading within a week by yourself thanks to this tool here. And there will be a full Zonar tutorial from me very soon, within a couple of days actually, where I will also display a strategy on how you consistent can generate profits from this indicator with the strategy that I have. And it's very simple, nothing overcomplicated. So here, for example, you can see it gave me a trade idea. It wants market to return down to 4,128-ish for an entry, and it marks out the order block that is down here. Bearish OTE, so market will probably hit the OTE. OTE stands for optimal trade entry. So it probably hit that zone and drop down to this zone that we want to have. And you can, of course, use your optimal trade entries marked out here as trades also. You don't have to follow the signals that this one provides. And it shows it on different time frames. It shows what trend we are on a higher time frame. So let's say I'm on a 1 minute, then it will show me here's a different trade, a sell trade idea. And it will show me also on the 5-minute time frame what trend we are on. So bearish basically. You can change that in settings. You can actually do a lot in settings. You can change what the higher time frame is, if you want to see signals or not, if you want to see order blocks or not, if you want to see fair value gaps or not. You choose how much information you want this thing to display for you. But this is, according to me, one of the best trading view indicators for beginners that is out there, especially for those that want to trade smart money concepts, which according to me is the best that is out there. ICT, smart money concepts, you got to understand liquidity, you got to understand order flow. This thing hands you all the levels, all the zones on a silver platter. Powerful tool. Like I said, I will do a separate tutorial just for this one where I show the strategy that I use. Now, next thing on the list is Oracle. I love this thing. Oracle is what will make you a much, much better trader. And I will say get familiar with this because we will have trading championships here on Primeverse. And to participate in the trading championships, you will need Oracle to track your stats. And as the saying goes, what doesn't get measured doesn't improve. And to start using Oracle, first, of course, watch this tutorial. And then after that, you click Oracle, get access. If you want a tutorial on Oracle, how to best use it, utilize it, comment Oracle on this video, and I'll make a separate tutorial for this one. But just to give you a quick walkthrough, this is what it looks like when you're inside. I have not connected any account to this here. This is my test account, but it's a trading journal and it will track all your trades, what pairs you trade the best, what times you trade the best, what times you trade the worst. It tracks your behavior. It tracks your activity as a trader. But it's not only that, it's much, much more. You can choose different widgets that you can put in here to measure different things. And then you have something called the simulator. This is also very, very powerful to track your behavior as a trader and how you can improve. Strategy simulation runs the number of simulations you choose, projecting random trade paths for either your account stats or custom input to estimate likely best and worst case results. Powerful. Here's leaderboard where we'll track, of course, like I said before, who is the best trader in the community, who is not. And these trading championships, you don't want to miss them. There will be live money, cash money on the table to win cryptocurrency and NFTs. And they will start from now in December, and they will probably run every second week. All right, back to Primeverse. As a trader, you like to travel. Most people become traders. Yeah, they want to make money, but also they want the freedom. They don't want to be locked in one place. They want to be able to move around. And therefore, Primeverse have made an exclusive, sensational actually, partnership with different travel agencies. Call it Traverse. And it means that, for example, places like Ibiza Twins, that is in Spain, you have a free stay here. We're talking about a nice 4-star superior beachfront hotel. So this is no shitty hotel somewhere in the corner. These are nice places for you to come there, relax, trade, make some flexi content and whatnot. You bring your team with you. If you're an IB, this is perfect. You can do IB retreats here. You have it in Cancun, in different places of the world. You need to check this out. And more things are coming up here. There will be offers also on yachts and of course private jets. That is coming up. Now I mentioned IB just quickly now. And if you want to be an IB and you want to improve as an IB, you have the social media section. Here you have exclusive social media trainings that are very important if you want to level up as an IB. Finance planning. Now this here alone is something that people pay. I remember how much it was, but I think it was $300 or $400 a month to be a part of this guy's lessons, his mentorship program. He has given out his course for free with us through an exclusive partnership. And what he does basically, he teaches you how to reinvest the money that you make online through trading or whatever it is.
If so, that's when we have to start building.
And I can say this, I've been in finance for a long time. I just checked it out because I wanted to see if it was legit or good. And I went through all the videos because it's actually really good. You learn the proper mindset. And even if you think you know, you can always pick up gems from guys like this with severe experience and knowledge. You get the mindset you need to become a successful long-term investor, making daily profits on your trading, reinvest those profits in a profitable, sustainable way. And then we have PrimeFoot. And of course, as a trader, as an entrepreneur, whatever it is, you have to stay fit. You have to be on top. As a trader, you have to always keep your mind sharp. And that starts with your physique. So therefore, we have also made, of course, Prime Fit. You have the communities here, One Move Chat, and the Prosperous community is, of course, our community. There will be more resources coming out here very soon. We have a very exclusive AI trading bot and AI trading agent that will be released here. And to get full access to Primeverse, you have to be a Pew Prime member, as I mentioned before. You have to sign up through our link, of course, and you have to have minimum $150 on your trading account. So sign up with our exclusive partner link in the description box below. Use our partner code. And when you have deposited $150 into your trading account, you reach out to our Primeverse support, and you will find that support also in the description box below of this video. And we will immediately get you started with Primeverse and with all these amazing resources. Prosperous World members, if you don't already know, then I'm telling you now, you have an exclusive free membership. So everyone that signs up before Friday to Primeverse, it doesn't matter if you have 100,000 on your trading account, or if you have 0 on your Pew Prime trading account and only trading demo, you will get access as a Prosperous World member to Primeverse. Full access. And with that said, I hope you got some massive value out of this video. If you struggle with Primeverse, make sure you watch this video again, get back on it, and comment if anything. We love feedback. I'll see you on the next one.